Hello everyone, welcome to joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you. How are you to all? Now I am speaking Flavaga34. Today we will analyze the topic of get live analysis, get live bonuses, TBC's candy drop. Welcome to all of you. Thanks to all of you to like me, follow me, and appreciate me. Thanks to everyone. And today So now I will explain this topic. Gate will launch Turing's bond between TBC Sports Tradings on July 15, 2025 at 9:58 UTC's hands will start the Candy Drops airdrops events. Candy Drops is this candy airdrop platform launched by Get where users can win candies by completing tasks and participating in the distributions to tokens airdrops. This rounds will distribute a total of 20,618 TBCs. And during the BitChain TBC Sports Trading Spotlight start time July 15, 2025. 9:58 UTCs and TBC deposit addresses at www.get.com and deposit TBCs and TBCs trade addresses at www.get.com trade TBCs USDTs token ID at HTTP Explorer and Turing's BitChain.io. Get Candy Drops event time July 15, 2025, 9 to July 22, 2025, 10 UTC. And total price is pool to 20,618 TBCs. Individual sharing limits 100 TBCs. And the next step is this participations method. The number one is the click the join buttons on the event interfaces, and after successfully joining processed with the corresponding task, Candy Drops will start counting viewers valid equity data. And the number second is this receives corresponding candy based on task completions and shares the airdrops proportion. And the third is candies will distributed 1-3 hours after the users complete task please log in to check the candies obtained from Candy Drop 3 hours after completing the task. Join now. Spot trading prices pools rules. The number first rules is this during the event users with accumulative spot trading volumes $5,000 TBCs can receive candy with different candy rewards unlocked based on the thresholds reached up to a maximum of 9 sharings a price pools of 20,618 TBCs. And the second is this spot trading volumes is equal to buy volumes plus sell volumes. The number third is users airdrop is equal to the number of candies obtained by the users. The total number of candies obtained by all users multiply 20,618 TBCs. And the fourth step is participating in TBC spot trading activities can earn you the following number of candies. Event details and candies. $5,000 TBC spot trading volumes. 7,000 TBCs. $7,000 one candy and $7,000 TBC spot trading volume. $10,000 candy 3 and TBC spot trading volume. $10,000 5 trading. And spot in your project introduction. TBC is this pioneers of the Bitcoin virtual mechanisms (BVMs) and has implemented a scalable BTC smart contract layer solutions based on the BVMs. TBCs will help unless to full potentials of Bitcoins and solve its consecutive problems in the future. BTCs will no longer be just digital goals, not are just tools for storing values, but more likely to be used details, transactions, and ecosystems like EVMs. After when BTC completes a specific BM's proposals upgrades, the relationships between BTCs and TBCs will be like that between Ethereum and ARBs. Swanali, welcome to joining my live stream. Thanks a lot to joining my live stream. Thanks to comments me. Get user, welcome to joining my live stream. Hunter teacher, welcome to joining my live stream. And everyday relationships between BTCs and TBCs will be like that between ETH and ABRs. Token symbols, TBCs, official websites are here, and I will explain these official websites. For this important notice, the first is participant must click the join buttons on now button on the Candy Drop event page to jump to jump the during Bitcoin's TBC's event and complete the event task and enter verifications to receive rewards. And 10% is rewards which were distributed to users' accounts within 14 business days after the events. And the total rewards pools is 20,618 TBCs. Users tops rewards is equal to the number of candies obtained by the users. The total number of candies obtained by all users multiply 20,618 TBCs. And the third is this batch registrations of fake accounts, malicious volumes, manipulations, self-trading, and other fraudulent activities are strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts under the same verified users will be considered as one account. Sub accounts are not allowed to participate. Number four, this is market makers, entities, institutions, and affiliated accounts cannot participate in this event. The number five is this: in case of any discrepancies between this translated visions and its English visions, the English vision shall prevail. The number six is this: GET IOS is reserves the final interpretations rights for this event. The number seven is users in the UK and other restricted regions may not have access to some or all services, including participating in this event's gaming and competitions. For more details are here on restricted regions. Please read the agreement, terms and agreements. And number third and last step, risk modeling cryptocurrency trading is affected by various factors including market conditions and policies. The market is high voltage and prices fluctuations are unpredictable. Please be aware of market risks and trades casually refers to the futures operations guides. Get terms July 14, 2025, and get where to crypto trade about 3,600 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Get Trading Actions. Now signed up and claim up to $10,000 in welcome rewards. Invite friends and earns up 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Get official websites. Download the Get app desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonuses. Join our Telegram community to discuss trending topics. Engage with the global community for the latest insights, transparencies, and security. Check US 100 proofs of reverses. Everyone, welcome to joining my live stream. Thanks to all of you to joining my live stream. Get user, welcome to joining my live stream. Now I am click off this third addresses. I will here TBCs. I will explain this briefly. Simple slide describes. This is a chart of TBC's USDT 32.273 and now it is informations. So you can select this chart. More information. The TBC is pure nodes of the Bitcoin futures mechanisms. BVMs has implemented as TBC's smart contract layer solutions based on BVMs. TBCs will help unleash of the potentials of Bitcoins and solve the contentious problems in these futures. BTCs will no longer be just digital gold, not just a tool for storing values, but most likely to be stored for daily transactions and have a native smart contract layer. And TBC like ETH, TBC's help will help BTC create proposed BVMs ecosystems like EVMs after BTC completes a specific BVMs proposal subscribes the relationships between BTCs and TBCs will be like that between Ethereums and APRs. And market caps $63.22 million circulating supplies to 27.80 million TBCs amount circulating collected is currently available being confident and recent dates 2025 2 and 13 all time highs $2.499 and 2000 all times $2 2025 714 and total supply 2.10 billion TBCs and distributed. The potential market values of projects is as cryptocurrencies or tokens based circulations are here. This matrix precious of proportions cryptocurrencies projects issues tokens are currently being traded in the market like 142.00 million TBCs and market cap fully digital market cap 1.32% and listed CCS is 2%. Everyone, welcome to joining my live stream. Thanks to all of you. And now token ID. You can see this token ID. TBC's exposures are here. And now I will click off this official website and I will explain this official website. TBC smart contract layers of Bitcoins. TBC is the pre-owners of the Bitcoin's virtuous mechanisms. BVM has implemented as Cable's BTC smart contract layers solutions based on BVM. And the next, what's new at TBC's advantages of the UTXO's model, sharings of TBC's technical principles, TBC's networks, Turing byte chains, BVM, and why choose TBC. Join the TBC's ecosystem, get started in 3 steps, drives into the words of TBC's, and download our well help you can connect to TBC's and manage your funds. And get TBCs. TBCs is the currencies of during Bitcoin's use it, the dApps and TBCs green fields. TBCs is 2 layers of Bitcoins and also the creators of the Bitcoin's virtuous mechanisms. BVM has implemented are more scalable BTCs layers to solutions based on BVMs is creatively developing Turing stacks. Turing's contract etc. TBCs has the advantages of an such as 256 pods and UTXOs models and also has better scaling capabilities, data cutting capabilities. Everyone, welcome to joining my live stream. Thanks to all of you to joining my live stream. Thanks to everyone to appreciate with developer programs and builders grants, awarding grantees to innovations projects, buildings upon source infrastructures and developers toolings and gas grant. Get up to $15 monthly rewards to accurate US drops growth and business partners trading EQs, Naboxes, tax ons, emails, WikiLeaks, mint layers, apricos, tintins, and ripple flaws, onkins, efficiencies, hyperspace networks, functions, stars, zeros, fobians, net, correspondence of this onion swaps. B2GG and Binion swaps and the next evaluates is part of this communities. TBC is a global decentralization network with developers, authenticators, tutors, telegrams, medium, and height of this. Everyone, welcome to joining my live stream. Thanks to all of you. And now I will develop the TBC. During TBC's renaissance of the Bitcoin's scaling ecosystem. TBC is a layers to solutions of Bitcoin's introducing Bitcoin's virtuous mechanisms, BVMs, and innovative technologies like Turing's next parts and Turing's contract. TBC's leverage the SHS 256 ports and UTBC is the layer second solutions for Bitcoin's introducing the Bitcoin's virtuous mechanisms, BVMs, and innovative technologies like Turing's access, Turing's contract. TBC's leverage the SHS 250 section 6 pods and UTXOs models providing superior capabilities, data shardings, and practical Turing's complete smart contract capabilities, making it deal for Web3 applications development. Exos models providing superior capabilities, data shardings, and practical Turing's complete smart contract capabilities, making it ideal for Web3 applications development. And key feature decentralization, continuous mechanisms uses between pods and SHS 256 minimums algorithms, pairs competitions, block release based on computational powers competitions ensures optimal resources allocations. And number second is the complaints and efficiencies. Nodes mining complete mechanisms to prevent hash powers attacks and assist theft under low network hash power. Corruptor King Rajesh, welcome to joining my live stream. And unlimited capabilities, optimized UTF models, high consist transactions formats, and high performance parallel computing uses nodes performances capable of handling millions of TPC and text net access 13,000 TPCS and the layer and the number layer 1 UTX or smart contracts. Turing's contract implements practical Turing's complete smart contracts based on UTXOs, executing all EVMs logics with high performances and low pieces. Crypto King Rajesh, welcome to joining my live stream. Yes, you are right. And zeros confirmation transactions, instant transactions enables immediate FTs and NFTs transactions with decreasing gas fees as users gas grows. And Bitcoin's operating system and integrates sports smart contract data storage to contact executions and transactions commissions on a single instance. Wallets capabilities. Identical signature structures uses the same addresses and private key structures at Bitcoin's uses friendly cross-chain infrastructures. Turing's bridges for this coming open sources applications libraries with customizable functions applications uses cases. Access block tokens represents real-world assets ownerships which digital collaborates ensuring authentic land digital right. Decentralized applications, the apps faculty secures faculty secures transactions without centers or sites via distributed ledgers. Uniform resources identifies standardized data storage spaces and empowers users with direct data controls. And content republishing enables decentralized content creation platforms for music, videos, articles, protecting copyrights and enables direct monetizations. Big gig economy like enhanced gig economy platforms with transparency, securities, and decentralization for freelancers and clients. Decentralization finance DeFi provides alternatives to conventional finance ecosystems has automated transparent options governance by smart contracts and Captain King Rajesh, welcome to joining my live stream. Thanks a lot to everyone to joining my live stream and thanks to appreciate me. TBC's innovation approach is building scalable, secure, and efficient smart contract layers of Bitcoin's encourages developers to leverage these features for diverse and impactful applications. The exploiters and participants trust providers, TBC's wallets, and database and Google's documentations, white papers are here and TBC bridges and participations events, hackathons, developers programs, airdrops about communities. UTXO. During real estate, TBC's adopts a new transactions identification methods during TXIDs is this cost technologies that differentiated TBCs from other UTXOs public blockchains. Introduction. Its hierarchical hash calculations on data segments can be conducted without alternating the original data sets and transaction formats. Therefore, the transaction data on different architectures can be pushed separately without interference with the hash verifications of the project. Parts of this data in short transactions identifications can be calculated with the hash value of the data and other unbound data. This same able data based on the smart hash pioneers on different transactions can be jointly used. This by can data be reused. The efficiencies of data storage and transfers can be significantly improved. During the anti-exist IDs is spacious transactions identified generated by hierarchical hash algorithms during the data uploading on chain. Significance. In these existing blockchain technologies to get the transactions IDs, TX is the primary data is transactions is hashed entirely. It leads to not receiving redundant data during transactions verifications using a hash algorithms which unnecessarily increases the cost of data storage transfers and reuse means whilst bringing the burdens to the users experiences. In order to tackle the problems of the insufficiencies of intra transactions data resource reuse the in current blockchain technologies during TXI's process. It's an innovative on-chain methods of cropping the intra-transactions data hierarchies in particular once applied during USDT transactions identifies to the UTXO smart contract to the IDA The data size required in the verification process can significantly reduce since the interrelativities of the data blockchains is born. Everyone welcome to joining my live stream. And significant set of this data labeling modes apps y is equal to su hash bin w hash bin w2 and hash bin w2 and x hash w1 w2 w3 subsets after splitting for input data sets and obtain the organized data sets forms by combining multiple pieces of data x is equal to x1 x2 x3 and xn up to so on. The organized data sets x naught is divided into old out data sets x and are cropped data sets w1 w2 and wb. Mr. Flower, welcome to joining my live stream. Thanks to appreciate me. Obtain the original data sets x form the combination of multiple pieces from multiple pieces of data performances layers and in clippings obtain this target data x and that is equal to 1 the clipping process of the originals data x is equal to f1 su's hash bins w's and the target test database X is serialized and encoded. The serialized encoded volumes B and is obtained and decentralized of the encoded value bins X is obtained performs hash calculations to obtain the target hash values hash binds X and use target hash values as this transactions identification number 3x is used one on chain. Everyone welcome to joining my live stream. Thanks to all of you. And x naught x1 x1 x2 and x2s and tx ids and w1s or w2 are here of the prices regions and non-regions. Features of Turing text due to the invertibles of the exercise calculations it can only be used in index data since different transactions will different exercise and technical speaking, the calculations of the loss captains and high independent and only calculations is required various verifications you have just need to done during the calculations. Others program levels logic including validations of full separate transactions, data keys and use the minders and the process of SPV's payments verifications with not interfaces different TXS calculation functions will be adapted with the upgraded TX regions to identify old and new regions transactions. Two kinds of transactions can occur without copy hands. Applications developers will no longer need to alter any of the verifications until the upgrades. All they need to do is edit and new taxes calculations of the to the event latest regions. This calculation is this solution is essential step of depth path of big blockchain of the NTX is same sprites full advantages of the during steps ensuring this of these Bitcoin sprites including abilities, Skycars resources, clipping status can be used to full event and datasets enhances these transactions data abilities densities and evaluations empowers between ecosystems between biological and ultimate evaluation mechanisms of users neutrals when deployed cells undergoes measures to reduce habits of this allocated to the player's bodies are virtually Turing contract. Turing contract, the first Turing complete high performance smart contract on this UTXOS blockchain. Introduction Turing contract is a contract framework based on the UTXOS models of the TBC's blockchains compared with the existing contract models. It has following advantages. Capabilities different UTXOS contracts can be executed and verified parallelly in TBC is not so it can take advantages of the multi-core advantages of modern computers and generators improve the speeds of the contract executions and this TPS of this entire TBC's contract low latencies. The results of contract executions can be returned without waiting for its confirmations thanks to TBC's zeros confirmation features as soon as these features of the mempools of the miners node securities because of this mining dependencies of UTX executions sequences of this current global state. Some security problems such as re-entrances will not occur of Turing's contract. Parallel verification. Because of this, UTXOS models implemented in TBCs when a node receives a transactions, this running results of this contract is already there. This output of the transactions. This means that is not only need to verify contract results of the researchers do not computations. Therefore, we can process transactions of chains and completing intensive contract of at the same since contract visuals mechanisms TBC is parallel. TBC's nodes can multiple VMs simultaneously validate different transactions as shown following figures and task advantages of the multi-core architectures of modes are input and output contract 1 contract 2 and output zeros confirmation security TBC's principles of reactors ordering the first since rules as response transactions minimums of these problems and transactions this is first in charge main pools of this TX TX once TX to UTX arise is not memory pools of these transactions swaps for roll sparks transactions assets will be for general transfers type transactions we need to decide whether to wait confirmations based on the values of orders. It is retail large transfers waiting for confirmations is savers approaches but the fast of these majorities in cases confirmations safely in-house users can choose their securities positive flexibility. The globally unique IDs in the smart contract based on the global state represented by Ethereum. There is a unique global state address by contract interfaces of third parties of the can unite Spanish contract through the contract addresses interact with the contract since there is no global state services. All states data is UTXOS contract will generate into new contract singles of these combinations of parties find its corresponding contract interfaces within and contract IDs. Each contract IDs are unique input contract actuals of these output indexes can hash on this the IDs. This is this basic contract ID generations logic for FT and FTs and there are some additional concentrates on this thesis of this event input and output. Data expansions in this verification process as1 as of this TX1 TX2 and ladder expansions TX1 transactions data that's using solutions of data are here about the keeps small constants which prevents its infinite expansions of transactions and contract to composabilities we can implement to combinations different UTXOs contract by validating the contract node and data contract TBC's two parts of codes or data are true only needs determines executions is current state determines functionalities of this current code and data contract therefore this TX has multiple blockchains input TXs and data and that contract data determines advanced contract based on different contracts implement logic different sides input and output and TBC's terminals welcome joining my live stream. Yes, you are right. TBCs are very amazing of the project. And UTXOs like exposures participants are here. Thanks to everyone to joining my live stream. Thanks to all of you. Thanks a lot to everyone. And be all will welcome to joining my live stream. TBC will upcoming. And now I will raise why choose TBC. TBCs are new eras of controls introducing the TBCs turning valid. And why choose TBC are here like sharings of TBC's technical principles cannot the UT can the UTXOs model sports complex smart contract functionalities and if so how it is achieved uniting forces Turing's bit chains partners with TBCI's empowers Bitcoin's futures Turing DXS revolutioning blockchain's data efficiencies navigating the future's TBC's innovative roadmap for blockchain's evaluation a new era of decentralization and decentralized content items and TBC's announced strategic partnerships strengthens byte chains and alleges joint force innovative blockchain ecosystems Turing ByteChain partners with and also starters to revolutionize the Web3 fundings and innovations. Turing's ByteChain's pioneering capabilities for Bitcoin networks features. Turing's TX establishes blockchain's data efficiencies and can the uniqueness of this UTXOs models give rise of different ecosystems compared to Ethereum's Bitcoin's features mechanisms BVMs on this relationship between the size speeds networks markets. Why choose TBC? So now why choose TBCs are here you can follow background of TBCs but since this release Ethereum's accounts based smart contract platforms has become mainstream as blockchain industries however they draw back to the account models such as performances but its next capabilities issues and deficiencies debugging have gradually becomes apparent has this cornerstones Bitcoin secured operations for the over decades. The UTXOs model has generated increasing attention for its robust currencies and capabilities. And this has been long been since misconceptions is this injustice that blockchains based on this UTXOs models cannot implement smart contract due to its inability to maintain global state of facilities recovery this calls this is this through ongoing explorations mediums projects ecosystems UTXOs models contract has gradually matured to giving rise of these event ground appreciates advantages of UTXOs models and of course of potential smaller contract research is engravings as cost conjugations on Bitcoin's bit TBCs emerged against this backdrop, aspiring to create a high-performance law pieces during complete UTXOs contract blockchains. It adopted the same architectures and designs are Bitcoin's sovereigns, Bitcoin's sidechain solutions to provide high performances law pieces transaction services advantages of TBC's high performances like TBC's boasts extremely high maintenance performances with actual Actual block processing capabilities exceeding 10,000 TPS on the internet, further capable with increased and hardware configurations. Its high performances is mainly reflected in the following aspects. The number one is utilize the UTXOS models, enabling high currency transactions processing without the need maintains global states. And then the second is the super large blocks and the WASP bookings capabilities. Currently, the miner's largest blocks can reach 10 GB, accommodating our 10 million transactions. This number second, third is secure zero confirmation. Small daily transaction achieve sufficient security through zero confirmation for rapid payment, such as high performances from the foundations of TBCs to become a blockchain infrastructures benefiting all humanities. Everyone, welcome to joining my live stream. Thanks to all of you to joining my live stream. Thanks to everyone. And smart contract TBC features during complete UTXO smart contract capabilities capable for executing various complex smart contract logic. TBC smart contract sources for the following characteristics: high concurrencies based on the parallel processing capabilities. UTXOs TBCs can seamlessly process multiple contract transactions, enhancing smart contract execution efficiencies and overall network capabilities. Automatic due to the characteristics of UTXOs modern TBC smart contracts abilities automatically transactions of the stable UTXO smart contracts do not to maintain global state. The results contract executions deep only on inputs and are unaffected by global state contract execution result of by Wi-Fi and are not influenced by the sequence of this contract execution. Pure functional programmable programming functional programming ensures contract predictability or execution results depends. This greatly enhances security and adaptability. Security abilities the tokens other smart contract requiring traceability is this TBC offers secure traceability functionalities enabling mathematical inductions, proofs, and validations of tokens legitimacy without occasions, contract transactions, inflections, and other issues. Vision by the TBC's network. No responses of the TBCs yet. Most TBC's networks advantages of the UTXOS networks are here about can the UTXOS model smart complex smart contract a new eras of the contracts UTXOS and documentations of the mediums which is substroke 6 reasons writers mediums and Deputy 5 is coming in July 2025 of these changes and lines are here so about you can see this acquisitions Johns is instantly yours use the chat GPT. Everyone, welcome to joining my live stream. Thanks to all of you. And now I will open this futures operations guide. Thanks to everyone joining my live stream. Futures novice guides, precious features, just types, futures bonuses and futures vouchers, certification applications, technical spec applications and technical indicators, news houses, futures trading, delivery features. And futures underlying logic mechanisms, basic knowledge of candlesticks, charts, applications of moving averages and lines, features of this. I will click this novice guide. Novice guides of this novice guides how to check transfers features in features of this. How to check and transfer funds in this features accounts. Web features check funds in features accounts. You can check the available balances in US feature accounts within orders to placement section. And you can also check assets futures accounts is the top right corners of this navigation bars to check funds. Everyone, welcome to joining my live stream. Thanks to everyone. And transport funds, you can transfer funds in this assets and manual sections of the futures trading page by clicking the buttons. You can choose transfer funds point and you can select the direct of the transfers granted spot fund transfer between sport and futures accounts. Enter the transfers amount, then click the confirm the complete process. Everyone, welcome to joining my live stream. Thanks to all of you. And you can also transfer funds of this assist to top navigations of the steps are follows assist futures account transfers. Choose this transfers direction, selections, margins, currencies, enter this transfers amount, and then click confirms the complete the transfers to transfers point. Select the points are here. Queen's sections is night transfers modes. Mr. Flower, welcome to joining my live stream. Good night. And we can check once this futures accounts, you can directly check in this current balances and accounts is available. Futures trading page to view under assist. And transfer funds, you can initiate transfers by typing the funds transfers icons within the futures trading to enter the secondary page. Select the accounts you want to transfer funds from to and confirm. The second is this for confirm the margins, currencies or points to which transfer. The number third is enter the transfers amount. The number four transfer. Now it want to transfer funds. BTC is margins contract. Just rapid step 2 and 3. And alternatively, you can perform upon transfers directly from the assets sections and by tapping transfers of within the asset section tab. Futures accounts and operates under the desired currencies. Its scanned interfaces. The operation steps are the same or those in futures trading pages. And note the operations which you as margins BTC's margins contract must be transferred separately on this respective trading pages by selecting the corresponding margins currencies within the assets wallet section. Kaya 7, welcome to joining my live stream. Thanks to everyone to joining my live stream. Thanks a lot to everyone. And now I will open this candy drop. Complete task to complete airdrops. 55.87k total participant and 7,072.51k USD. Okay. And pump 100,000 pump TBCs are here. I will click this TBC. TBC is the pioneers of the Bitcoin futures mechanisms BVMs and has implemented scalable BTCs and smart contract layer solutions based on BVM. Like total price pools 20,618 price pools and participant 3,271 and event open registrations opens and event ended. Complete task to share 20,618 TBCs price pools to 20,618 TBCs and 100 TBCs individual share limit. Complete task and shares price pools login and participant. Complete task type 1 TBC spot trading task of 5,000 USDT and type 2 TBC spot trading task 7,000 USDT are type 3 TBC spot trading task 10,000 USDT and claim up to 100 TBC are here. Activity rules are, you can see this activity rule. What are the requirement FAQ? What are the requirements to participate in Candy Drop? Users participating in Candy Drop are required for complete identity verifications and click the join button on the event page. Only after successfully joining will their activity data be counted. Market makers, enterprises and institutions are not eligible to participate in this event. When will candies be distributed after completing task? Candy will be distributed within 1 and 3 hours after users complete tasks. Please log in and check the candies obtained from candy drop after 4 hours. Terms and conditions. Skyfall, welcome to joining my live stream. Get user DEC, welcome to joining my live stream. Thanks to everyone joining my live stream. The number first is participants must click the join button on the event page after successfully joining the event. Complete the event task and attend verifications to receive the rewards. The number second is the rewards will be distributed within 14 business days after the event concludes. Total rewards event rewards are 20,618 TBCs. And the number third is bulk registrations of multiple accounts, malicious volumes, multiple manipulations, voice trading, self-dealing, and other cheating behaviors are strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts verified under the same user's identity will be considered as single account. Sub accounts are not eligible for the participation. And number four is market makers, businesses, and institutions are not eligible for this events. Affiliate accounts cannot join referred activities can participate in all other events without restrictions. The number five is this in case of discrepancies between translated versions and the English versions, and the English versions shall prevail. The number six is get reserves the finance rights of enterprises and for this event. The number six is this users from restricted regions will be unable to use all parts of the event services including participation of these events, games, and contents. For details information regarding restricted regions, please refer to the users agreement. The number third and last step of the terms and conditions. Risk warning: users must bear in mind that cryptocurrencies trading is affected by multiple factors such as market dynamics and regulatory policies. Market prices are highly volatile and unpredictable. Please pay close attention to market risk and trade casually. Everyone, welcome to joining my live stream. Thanks to all of you, and thanks to everyone. Can you drop notify me how to earn? How to earn? You can see this how to join. Select project. Select the project how to interested and complete the interactions task to earn candies. Complete interactions tasks. The more tasks are complete, the more candies you can earn, and the better your chance are of getting airdrop reward will be. And wait for airdrops. Check the rewards distributed start status and wait for the airdrops. And FAQ. What is candy? Candy drop. Can you know everyone what is candy drop? I will explain it. Candy drop is an airdrop campaign launched by Get user by completing tasks such as participating in trading, depositing, inviting friends, and more. The more tasks you complete, the more candies you can earn, increasing your chance to winning airdrop rewards. And the number second is this: how to earn candies. You can earn candies by completing design tasks in Candy Drop. By task type include trading specific tokens, deposits, and more. Each completed task will grant you chance amount candies. And the number third is this: how to verify the completions of the event task. After completing the task, the platform will automatically verify the without acquiring manual validations. You will see a prompt once the task is successfully completed. And then the fifth is this: when will rewards be distributed? Rewards will be distributed to winners get accounts within 14 working days after the events and can be viewed in wallets. Being details, users must complete identity verifications before claiming rewards. And the candies must be calculated accumulated for the next event. Candies are accumulated for the next event and cannot be carried for the next one. Everyone, welcome to joining my live stream. Thanks to all of you. And now I will click off launch pool. Launch pool. After Candy is 55.90k of total participant and total airdrop USD 7,073.2k dollars USD dollars means dollars. Thanks to all of you to joining my live stream. Thanks to appreciate me. Thanks a lot to everyone. Launch pool. Quick staking earn potential new tokens 1,309.7 million dollars staked and 29,000.84 billion dollars of funds raised and 5.79 million participants and 183.0k dollars estimated total rewards. Launchpad. About launch pool. What is a launch pool? Launch pool is a platform where users can stake their assets or provide liquidity to earn rewards in new project tokens. You can lock specified tokens in the launch pool to receive corresponding to project token rewards. Join launch pool now. The number second is how can I participate in launch pool? First, log into your get account and navigate to the launch pool page and then choose the project you want to participate in and stake your account assist and the birth has this which coins can I stake in launch pool. I stake eligible for participations will be announced on the mining page of the project. Each project, please visit the corresponding page and launch pool for view and more detailed for view more details and how many tokens will be rewarded. Early staking rewards is equal to individual latest 1 hour while staking amount total pool staking amount multiply early rewarded pools. The system will take snapshots of individual staking amounts each hours and stake the average as the valid staking amount. How are rewarded distributed? Systems will stake snapshots of individual staking amounts and distributed tokens will be eligible for users early. And Riddler airdrop. Everyone, welcome to joining my live stream. Thanks to all of you joining my live stream and users like launch pool. Woodlet. I will click this Woodlet airdrop all GT and get massive airdrops for free. $0.00 airdrop receives 1,027.5 million dollars can cumulative airdrop. And total airdrop 65.99k dollars total airdrop 11.757 billion participants are here and quick to claim. Now you can see this insufficient GT amounts must 1 GT in all participants in this airdrop. The airdrops the more GTs rewarded. You can subscribe now. And now ES like total airdrop 60,000 ES participant of 9.55 per GT 0.0106 ES and event ends 1 or 31 BS and total airdrop to 272 to 727 BS and participant 9289 and per GT 0.0731 and event ends GPUAIs total airdrop 66667 GPUAI and participant 775 11755 and per GT is 0.021 GPUAI and SARMs like total airdrop are here and RCDs and Tencent tags PAL total airdrop participant 13 734 and 0.11 4 of and as agents like participant 14147 FAQ. How to participate in the Udler airdrop? As long as your GT Woodlinks in Get account is no less than 1, you can participate and receive airdrops without locking or staking GT. Which account GT's Woodlinks will be included in the calculations? Total GT Woodlinks in unified account, sport account, isolated margin account, copy trading account are here. TBC's terminals. Welcome to joining my live stream. And financial accounts, payments accounts, however GTs is crafted loan and GTs 2 are excluded. What is US airdrop amount calculated? Once you join the project, the systems will track your GTs with links, taking multiple random snapshots every hourly to calculate your average hourly links. Your final rewards is based on your average links during the entire during the entire project. If your average links are below 1 GT, you will not receive any reward. Any rewards final token receives is equal to your average hourly holdings or participants' average hourly holdings. TBC terminal, yes. Yes, TBC sports are to give you sports and receives reward token rewarded to average woodlinks or total airdrop amount. What is per GT? Per GT is an estimated value indicating the number of airdrop tokens you could receive by participating in the Woodlands airdrop project with 1 GT and woodlinks it until the end of the project. Please note that the per GT will change based on the total airdrop amount and the GT woodlinks of all participants and is updated hourly. Why are my woodlinks counted differently across projects? This system uses random snapshots to calculate it to your average early woodlinks depending on when you join each project. The calculated average woodlinks may vary in theories. If your woodlinks amount remains constant, your average early woodlinks should be the same across to project you participate in. What is the individual participation cap? Different projects have not different projects have different individual participation limits. You can check detailed page of the event announcement for more information. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? You can participate in multiple projects at the same time. How will airdrop rewards be distributed? The airdrops will be calculated and distributed in 1 hour after the project, and you can check it anytime. Launch pool, airdrop, and participation history. Launchpad. Launchpad here be early through the next big tokens project. $1.42 billion amount, 56.37 case participants and projects are 2. Project introductions, launchpad try launch pool participant and historical projects pump community USDT and PVP FBS committed USDTs and join launch pool. Apply now. And join globally leading project launch platform. Join to give project exports. And what is Get Launchpad? Get Launchpad is a Get innovative tokens launch platform and that lets your get early access to high potential scraper of projects through paid subscription model, giving you a head start before the market catches on. How do I participate in Get Launchpad? Join, login to join Get your Get account. Head to the Launchpad page and select a project. Click comment or more detailed. What tokens can I use to subscribe? Most projects expect GTs and use to check the project details for specific. Will my funds be locked after subscribing? Yes, if your subscription is successfully, the corresponding amount will be used from your account within 4 hours after the subscription periods ends, and any unsubscription unsubscribed portions will also be unlocked and refunded of your spot account within 4 hours after the subscription periods. And how will tokens allocated? After the subscriptions and tokens are distributed based on your contributions as a percentage of the total funds raised of your subscriptions amount dedicated according to the entities created to your spot accounts. How many tokens will be get, and the number of tokens will get off calculated and allocated based on the populations of use average hourly links during the subscription periods relative to the overall project total committed amount of the project. Everyone, welcome to joining my live stream. Thanks to all of you to join my live stream. Thanks to everyone. Thanks a lot to everyone. And now TBC deposit addresses. On-chain deposits can you see get account like TBCs, networks TBCs, and do not deposit any TBCs assets that are not TBCs coins addresses about used or are here. Recent deposits, and I will FAQ. Click this FAQs. How to review blockchain's information? Go to recent deposit to assess deposit page across down through transactions orders and its corresponding TX as transactions hashed IDs. Click on TX IDs. Jump to blockchain's explorers on view that transactions. If the transactions hash is not displayed in recent deposits yet, so you can copy the hash from the sending platforms and paste it into the corresponding blockchain's explorers to check the transaction status. Log into your Get accounts, click the chat navigations bars, then select spots trading in the search bars, enter the chains corresponding to the tokens you want to queries, and click the full tokens names below to the intercoin informations. On the Explorers page, copy paste of hash transactions ID text in the search bars is to view transactions details. On the transactions details page, you can view full log informs and content field displays the contract addresses are here. Alternatively, on the chain deposits page, after selecting the coins chain, scroll the bottoms of the addresses fields of the use masked and visions of the contract addresses on chain deposit coins network. The number second is this is what to do if my deposit has not arrived. Panda Crabs, welcome to join my live stream. Thanks to lot you to everyone joining my live stream. If your crypto deposit form and other platforms and wallets has not arrived in your GT accounts, and here are the most common reasons. The number second is deposit delayed due to insufficient block confirmations. Gate has different blockchains confirmations requirements for deposits of the different coins before they are credited. You can find the confirmations requirements at the bottoms of the deposit page. Compared it to the current confirmations shown on the blockchains. If you are required could not has not been yet met, please wait for time patiently for the blockchain alliance crazes. Welcome to joining my live stream. Thanks to everyone. Thanks a lot to everyone to joining my live stream. Hello, Chair. How are you? I'm good. Alliance Crisis Mew. Hi, how are you? And now compares to the current confirmation shows the blockchains if requires counts has not completed yet implemented blockchains confirmation secures is automatically this as how you can confirmations via blockchains explorer subtract the blonde heights of this has formed the latest block heights and configures below. MySix and Frogs Mesos. When depositing cryptocurrencies like XRP's ecosystems of these confirmations, if the deposit service is suspended, any incoming transfers will not be processed by paid patients until the function resumes. You can click set reminder on the in deposits page of these that queens will not notify you can you once it's back online. Wrong coin addresses chain. If you are deposits to the wrong coin addresses blockchain and follow the steps that resolve the issues, first check it if the deposit address belongs to get platform the visit the token recovery page to see if the chain used used in supported if yes you can apply for recovery if token recovery does not support that chain player submit a ticket to for recovers is our solutions becomes available for customer support teams for will contact you throw the tickets if addresses is not a get addresses you will need to contact the reception directly to resolve it. Note: around 20 USD handling fee applies for P MPBlock token recovery. Please ensure sufficient balances is your spot accounts for more detailed steps by reference submitted. Travels not aligned for deposits are recoverable using these features. The following cases are not recoverable, including but not limited to deposit tokens are not supported by get deposit via unspotted chains use of not spotted in the tokens recoveries features deposits of inspirations of NFTs deposits to get crypto addresses. Always check the status of the tokens recoveries. If the recovery fails, you can check the reasons in application records and contact customers support to confirm whether the deposit is still recoverable. And now you can see the join now. TBC. TBC is the pioneers of the Bitcoin virtuous mechanisms. BVMs has implemented as cables BTC's contract layer solutions based on BVM. Everyone, welcome to joining my live stream. Thanks to all of you. Users participating in Candy Talks are required to complete verifications and click the join buttons on the event page. Only after successfully joining will their activity data be counted. Market makers, enterprises, and institutions are not eligible to participate in this event. When will candies be distributed after completing tasks? Candies will be distributed within 3 hours after users complete tasks. Please log in and check the candies obtained by from candies after 3 hours. Terms and conditions. Participants must click the join buttons on this event page after successfully joining event. Complete the event task identity verification and to receive the rewards. The number second is the rewards will be distributed within 14 business days after the event and event concludes. The total events rewards are 20,618 TBCs. And the number third is the registration of multiple accounts, malicious volumes, manipulations, watch trading, self-trading, dealings, and other cheating behaviors are strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts verified under the same user's identify will be considered as single accounts. Such accounts are not eligible for participant. Then number four, this is market makers, businesses and institutions are not eligible for these events. Affiliated accounts cannot join reference activities, but can participate in all other events without restricted. And then number five, in case of discrepancies between translated visions and the visions, the English vision shall prevails. The number six is this GAT reverses the final rights of interpretations for the event. Users from restricted regions will be unable to use all and part of the services, including participation in this event's games and contents. For detailed information regarding restricted regions, please refer to the users agreement. Then number 8 is risk warnings. Users must bear in mind that cryptocurrency trading is affected by multiple factors such as market dynamics and regulatory policies. Market prices are highly volatile and unpredictable. Please pay close attention to market risk and trade carefully. Thanks a lot to everyone to joining my live stream. Thanks to everyone. What is the entry level of BTC and get user is for welcome to joining my live stream. Like TBC are here about new project of market because the prices will Kaya 647, welcome to joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you to join my live stream. Thanks a lot to everyone for joining my live stream. Thanks to everyone. Thanks to appreciate me. And click the join buttons on this event interfaces and join successfully process within this corresponding task. Candy drops will start counting the validations that are received corresponding candy based on this task completion. Shares a drop are here proportionally. Candies will be distributed 1-3 hours after the user's complete task, and please log in to the account. Event details: 5,000 TBC spot trading volumes, 7,000 $7,000 TBC spot trading volumes, 10,000 and TBC trading volumes of these TBCs are here. Participants must click the join buttons on the Candidops events page. Is jump to the tuning during bit change TBCs and event and complete the event task. Identifications of receipts rewards will be distributed to users accounts within 14 business days after the event ends. The total reward pool is 20,618 TBCs. Users airdrop rewards the number of candies obtained by the user. The total number of candies obtained by the users 20,618 TBCs. Batch registrations of fake accounts, malicious volumes, manipulations, self-trading, and other fraudulent activities are strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts under the same verified users will be considered as one account. Sub accounts are not allowed to participate. Market magnetized institutions and affiliated accounts cannot participate in this event. In case of any discrepancies between the translated regions of the English regions shall prevail. GetIO reserves the final interpretations rights of this for this event. The number 7 is this get user. Users in the UK and other restricted regions may not have access to the small sum and all services including participant in this events, games, competitions. For details on restricted regions, please read the risk and users and agreements. Risk warning: cryptocurrency trading is affected by various factors including market conditions and policies. The market is highly volatile and price fluctuations are unpredictable. Please be aware of market risk and trading carefully refers to the future generations. Get in July 14, 2025. Gateway to crypto. Get our trade our 3,600 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Get. Take actions on now. Sign up and claim up to $10,000 in welcome rewards. Invite friends and earn a 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Get official website. Download the Get app desktop. Follow us on Twitter to get more bonuses. Join our Telegram community to discuss trending topics. Engage with our global community for the latest insights, transparencies, and security. Are here. Check our 100% proof of free services. Thanks to all of you to joining my live stream. Thanks to everyone. Thanks a lot to everyone to joining my live stream. Welcome to everyone to joining my live stream. And thanks a lot to everyone to joining my live stream. To appreciate me, like me and follow me. Kindly like me, follow me. Everyone, please like me and follow me. So today my topic will be ended at the time. I will meet you soon. Next topic. So see you soon. Have a good day. Take care and bye bye.